Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is going to be a little short video. I just did a video about how to make this border and how to contour it just a little bit so you'll have some wood left. And then while the other video is loading, I started thinking these are some pretty sharp points, and you might not want that. And we wanted, this was the original contour, so let's go to Effects, Contour. We're going to contour that same 0.05, but this time we're going to select rounded corners. And then we hit apply. And when we zoom in, you'll see that it's now taking out those sharp corners. And then all you have to do is go to Arrange, Break Contour Apart, delete that inner contour, select that, turn it red, and move it back over. And now your item has a rounded corner to give it a little bit, in case it's too sharp. Won't poke anybody. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.